The Dhāraṇī, Cloud of Offerings. Puja Mega Dhāraṇī. Homage to the Three Jewels. Namo Ratna Trayaya. Namo Bhagavate Vajrasara Pramardani Tathagataya Arhate Samyak Sambuddhaya. Tadyata Om Vajre Vajre Mahavajre Mahateja Vajre Mahavija Vajre Madhya Bodhicitta Vajre Maha Bodhi Mando Pasam Kramana Vajre Sava Kama Avaranavi Sodana Vajre Svaha. The rite for this Dhāraṇī mantra is as follows. In the instant of recollecting it, one makes offerings to as many blessed Buddhas who reside in the 10 directions as there are coarse and subtle grains of sand in the river Ganga, and pays homage at their feet. These offerings are in the form of flowers, incense, perfumes, flower garlands, scented unguents, powders, parasols, banners, pennants, seats, carpets, clothing, enjoyments, food, and so forth, as well as ornaments and flowing garments. One will be freed from all evil deeds and will possess every virtue. One will see all the Buddhas and bodhisattvas and thereby be comforted. All the gods, nagas, yakshas, gandharvas, asuras, garudas, kinnaras, and mahoragas, as well as the lords of secrets such as Vajrapani, as well as the 4 great kings, will follow, protect, guard, and remain near to one. When one dies and transmigrates, one will be born in the realm of Sukhāvatī. If one has not accomplished these special qualities, they will be obtained with just a single recitation. This completes the Dhāraṇī called the Cloud of Offerings.